Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first say thank you for everyone for giving me all of your support through all of these dark months. You have made my life a lot brighter. I really do appreciate you. Our worthless government is still hard at work, showing us all just how much they don't care about us. And we are the ones that gave them their high-paying jobs and rock star lifestyles. But then they can't even do anything to help us at all. They don't want to help the American people. We work our asses off to pay our taxes. And for what? They close everything down. And they go on living the lifestyles of the rich and famous. These politicians need a big wake-up call. And I think it's high time we deliver that wake-up call to their sorry asses. Y'all, it's plain to see, we will not get anywhere with these animals in Washington until we make a stand. And no, we can't make a stand on YouTube. Not one that they'll understand anyway. We need to go straight to them, straight to their worthless piles of elephant dung in Washington. The way they are treating us is not supposed to happen in the good old USA. We're supposed to be the best and the richest country in the world. We are supposed to hear about things like this happening in some faraway land, but not right here at home. And it will keep on, and it will even get worse until we, the people, stop it. We have politicians that say stimulus checks to help the American people is nothing but a big waste of time. I say our government is a waste of time. They will never know what it's like to be evicted from their homes, or not able to pay the power bill, or put good food on the table for their family. Even after these piles of animals dung leaves office, they will still get paid for life. It's time we change this. Y'all, let me know in the comments what you think about our leaders and what we need to do to get real lasting change in America. Joe Biden has taken office in mid-January. He says that he will send us all a good stimulus package and check. I hope he can. Donald Trump said the same thing, and we found out he couldn't do it, that the president does not have that power. But now Joe Biden does have something that President Trump didn't have. He does have the Senate and the House on his side. So maybe Joe Biden can get this done. Let's hope and pray. Donald Trump right now demanding $2,000 stimulus check. Does he really want that for the people? I don't think he does. He's trying to repair his legacy, which is it's too late for that. His legacy is set. He created his legacy. He's going to have to live with it. The Mooch Man said that he was going to keep everyone in Washington until this is all done. Well, they sent it to the president for the president's signature. The president did not sign it. So why did he send people home? It's not done yet. Until it's signed into law, it is not done. Nancy Polosi. We could have had a check several times over, many times in the past. But Nancy Pelosi kept saying no to everything. When they come close to meeting her wants, her shopping list, she would move the goalpost. So it would never get passed. She kept saying no when she should have said yes a couple of times. But yet, she's worried about the starving kids, the kids that don't have food to eat. Well, if she said yes, these kids would have plenty of food right now. Bernie Sanders, you know, the guy that everybody thought was crazy when he was running for president. They thought he was some kind of wild man. Well, that crazy man turns out to be probably the smartest man in Washington right now. He knows what the American people need, and he's pushing for it. Will he get what the American people needs? Probably not. But it's nice to know someone is in our corner rooting for us. Y'all, I say, let the damn government close down. I hope they don't pass the amendment to keep the government running. I hope it closes down. That way they will see what the American people sees when our jobs, our business, everything closes down and we lose everything. They'll see a little taste of that, even though it really won't hurt their pocketbooks and it won't hurt what they put on their table at night. Y'all, the only way we're going to get lasting change in America is for us to change it ourselves. For us to stand up against them and demand change and do whatever it takes and for as long as it takes until we get the change that we need. Donald Trump said, let's make America great again. America's always been great. It's still great. It's our politicians that needs to be fixed. They need to be kicked out of office, and we need all new blood in Washington. Nothing's going to change until we get them out. And why Kentucky voted the Mooch man back in? Why California is letting Polosi stay in? I don't understand. Y'all, I try to keep everything down the middle. I give hell to both sides because I'm not a Democrat. I'm not a Republican. I'm an American. But now Donald Trump is still fighting to stay in an office. It's plain to see that he lost the race. Was there wrongdoing? Was there cheating? Yeah, it is in every political race. Always have been, always will be. There's no change in it. But the bottom line is he lost the race. Now, I know people will be leaving my channel when they hear me saying this. I can't help it. It's the facts. I had a comment yesterday. A lady said that Donald Trump has not lost yet. I don't know what rock she's been under, but Donald Trump has lost. He is not going to be the president after January. Is this a good thing? I don't know. We hadn't had Joe Biden as president yet. We're going to have to wait and see. It could be for the better. It could be for the worse. Nobody knows. I mean, Donald Trump, everybody thought that he was going to be a good president. And if he hadn't let his mouth spew out all the hate towards the media and to the Democrats and to the Republicans, if he had kept his mouth shut and just done his job, I believe he could have been a very good president. But he let that mouth destroy his legacy. And now he's trying to repair it. It's much too late for that. Y'all, we will get out of this. When? I don't know. But I know someone that does know. That's Jesus Christ. He's got it all figured out. We'll understand it one day, but right now we're just hoping for the best. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And when you comment on my videos, I want your real opinion. I want you to let go. Just get it off your chest. Use my videos as a sounding board. You're not going to hurt my feelings. We need to get it off our chest. So do that on my videos. I ask you not to use foul language, but still, let us know how you feel. And just let it fly. Y'all, I love you all. I hope y'all have a good Sunday. And until next time, keep your faith in Jesus. I love you all. Ciao.